Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. Before beginning, always prioritize safety. First, disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Next, gather your tools, including a ratchet, sockets, and a jack with jack stands. Make sure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface and properly secured before you start any work underneath it. Now, let's find that starter. Carefully raise the front of your vehicle using a floor jack and secure it firmly with 2 jack stands. The starter motor is usually located on the passenger side, mounted to the engine block near the transmission bell housing. You might need to remove a few components, like an air intake tube or a heat shield, to gain clear access to it. With access clear, it's time to remove the old starter. First, disconnect the main power wire, usually a thick cable, and then the smaller solenoid wire. These are typically held by nuts. Next, use the appropriate size socket and ratchet to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine. Once unbolted, gently pull the old starter free from its housing. Now for the installation of your new starter. Carefully slide the new starter into position and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Once aligned, tighten them firmly. Reconnect the solenoid wire and then the main power wire, ensuring all connections are snug. Finally, lower your vehicle, reconnect the negative battery cable, and turn the key to confirm your new starter is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.